There we are, right on the mark. Now we have a nice high elevated platform to start the dam off of. The dam should be 6 feet higher than the water level. It's okay, nothing happened to it, it's not damaged. There it is, so now we're ready to pump water. We've got the pump started, it's pumping up water, and it will start unrolling here on its own. Oh, there it goes, it's moving now. It goes slow though. Just pushes the green vegetation down. It won't kill it. It'll all come back. The root systems are all going to be intact. We've made our circle and he's coming home. Filling up the support dam. We're not done filling the AquaDams. We're still pumping away on the outside AquaDam. We're putting water in this tube. The outside tube here has already got water in it. We've got it tied off so it can't move away from the larger dam.